THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam review script. Have you ever wished you could get the kind of clarity and protection on the road that goes beyond just basic video recording? What if there was a way to not only capture high-quality footage, but also get real-time safety alerts, even when you're parked? Well, the THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam promises just that. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into its features, how it performs on the road, and whether it's worth your investment. The THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam offers 2K QHD 1440p recording both front and rear, delivering incredibly sharp and clear footage with impressive color balance thanks to its robust Ambarella A12A75 CPU. This dash cam isn't just about the visuals. It packs a punch with safety features like speed and red light camera alerts, plus a smart driving alert system that's designed to keep you safer on the road. The system also integrates GPS, embedding critical data like speed, time, and location directly into your video footage. Now, let's talk about the display. It's equipped with a 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen, offering an easy-to-navigate interface where you can adjust settings, replay your footage, and even get notified of safety alerts. Whether you're adjusting settings or viewing your footage in real time, this display brings convenience and clarity right to your fingertips. When driving at night, visibility can be a huge challenge. That's where the THINKWARE ARC's Super Night Vision 2.0 comes in. It enhances video brightness while reducing noise, ensuring that you capture every important detail in low-light conditions, whether you're driving or parked. Speaking of parking, the ARC's 24/7 parking surveillance mode kicks in, recording any motion or impacts while your vehicle is stationary. And with its energy-saving mode, you don't have to worry about draining your battery when parked for long periods. One of the most unique features of the THINKWARE ARC is its privacy lock mode, which ensures your footage stays secure. With password protection, it prevents unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind that your recorded data remains yours alone. So, how does the THINKWARE ARC stack up against the competition? Compared to other dash cams in its category, the ARC excels in video quality, with its 1440p resolution delivering a much sharper image than typical 1080p models. While it's priced slightly higher than some entry-level options, the extra investment could be worthwhile for those who want enhanced video clarity, advanced safety alerts, and a reliable parking mode. Pros: clear video quality, 1440p front and rear, ensuring detailed footage. Super Night Vision, excellent low-light recording. Parking mode provides added protection when your car is off. Safety alerts, speed and red light camera alerts add extra security. Cons: installation required. While the hardwiring kit is included, it may be a bit challenging for DIYers. Price point: a bit more expensive than basic dash cams, which may not suit every budget. For those looking for more than just basic recording, the THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam is an excellent option that brings together safety, clarity, and innovation. It's especially ideal for daily drivers or anyone wanting to enhance their car's security, both on the road and while parked. Midway CTA. If this review is revving up your interest, don't let it idle. Hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay in the fast lane with fresh product reviews. The build quality here is solid, featuring an integrated thermal protection system that keeps the dash cam operating smoothly even in extreme temperatures. Supercapacitors ensure that your footage is safely saved even during power cutoffs, adding to its long-term reliability. THINKWARE is also known for great customer service, and their dash cams come with a solid reputation for durability. This is a fantastic option for anyone wanting a dash cam that offers more than just basic features. Best suited for daily commuters, families, or anyone concerned with comprehensive road safety, the THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam adds layers of security and convenience. It's also perfect for drivers who want that extra peace of mind when they step away from their vehicle. Conclusion: strong option. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed dash cam with excellent video quality and smart safety features, the THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam is one of the stronger choices in its class. End of video engagement. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in the THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam, check out the links in the description box below. And if you already own this dash cam or have questions, feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Goodbye for now, and remember, stay autovated.